Imagine.
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 Imagine taking healthcare in new directions right here in the heart of Singapore.
Imagine using science-based innovation to address today's toughest diseases.
Imagine pushing the boundaries of medicine to develop tailored therapies.
Imagine transforming cells into life-changing medicine using the latest biotechnology.
Imagine manufacturing more than 5 billion tablets each year in Singapore for the rest of the world.
Imagine patients entrusting you to deliver medicines of the highest quality standards safely and securely, on time, every time.
Imagine sharing unbiased science with doctors so they can deliver the right therapy to the right patients.
Imagine having access to affordable and sustainable treatments that you or your loved ones may need.
Imagine helping cancers recede, strengthening hearts, and restoring eyesight.
Or simply imagine putting a smile on a patient's face.
We unite in the belief that together we will build a future that ensures the healthy living of generations to come.
Together,
We are reimagining medicine.
Together, we are Novartis.